Okay, so we have another function here which is given again as e to the power negative 2t, where the idea should be, let's say over here again we just want to use the one of the, let's say, Laplace transform of the function from the table of Laplace transform, compare and then figure out, right? So if you look into the table of Laplace transform, we can get one of the function given as e to the power at, whose Laplace transform is given as 1 over s minus a, right? So that's what we have given. So we just want to compare with that, and then if you compare, you can see between these two function over here, on the exponential is exponential on the so over here, and then that function is composed over here is with at, and then here is this function is composed with negative 2t, but here is negative 2. That's the only difference. So, or let's say if we compare, the value of the a we get is negative 2. So that's why we need to plug that in on the formula. Okay, so if that is the case, the Laplace transform of e to the power minus 2t should be equal to 1 over s minus negative 2. So this should be then equal to 1 over s plus 2. So this is the Laplace transform of e to the power minus 2t. Now as you know that the Laplace transform would be as a function of s, right? So we can write down here is capital F of s is equal to, right, so as a function of s we wanted to write down, so which is 1 over s plus 2. Now if you get it how to figure out the Laplace transform of this or not, just to check, let's try to see the similar other example and then see if we can figure out the Laplace transform of that function. All right, so let's say assume instead of e to the power minus 2t, if we would have, let's say, e to the power minus 5t, what should be the Laplace transform of that? So if you compare with the previous example or on the formula, right, so 1 over this should be s minus negative 5, right, or this is equal to 1 over s plus 5, or let's say Laplace transform of e to the power minus pi t, what should be the Laplace transform of that? 1 over s minus negative pi, so that should be s plus pi, right? Or Laplace transform of e to the power minus 10 pi t, what should be the Laplace transform of this? This should be 1 over s minus negative 10 pi, so that should be s plus 10 pi, right? So this is how we could figure out the Laplace transform of this type of function by using the Laplace transform of e to the power at. So that formula over here, or the Laplace transform of e to the power at, help to figure out the Laplace transform of similar type of function.